Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a simple but powerful trick in Canva, how to open your designs in full screen mode. Whether you want a distraction-free workspace or a smooth presentation, this trick will make your Canva experience cleaner, faster, and more professional. Stick around because I'll show you every step so you don't miss a thing. Open your design. First, log into Canva and head to your homepage. Find the design you want to work on and make sure it's the right one. Double check, because full screen mode will show exactly what's in your design, so you want it to be ready for a clear view. Click to open it, locate the full screen icon. Once your design is open, look to the top right corner of the Canva interface. You'll see a small icon, usually a diagonal double arrow or a tiny screen symbol. That's the full screen button. Click it and instantly your design will expand to cover your entire screen, giving you a distraction-free workspace. Use keyboard shortcuts. Want an even quicker way? On most platforms, you can press the F key to toggle full screen mode on and off. If you don't see the icon, just hover near the top right of your screen and it should appear. This shortcut is perfect if you like working fast or presenting designs on the fly. Exiting full screen. When you're done, exiting full screen is easy. Just press the escape key on your keyboard or click the full screen icon again. It transforms into an exit symbol when active. This brings you right back to the regular Canva view, ready for editing or sharing. And that's it. Using full screen in Canva is that simple, but it makes a huge difference when you're working or presenting. If you found this tip helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more Canva tricks and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.